they're fairly intelligent and they grasp it.
They do grasp it quicker. An animal that's been trained before will sort of pick things up quicker than one that hasn't. Often, with any animal, whether it's come from another institution or from the wild, the first step's building a rapport, as Brad said before, but once you've done that, you can really start shaping behaviours. But Orson's 25 years old and he's still learning new behaviours now as well. Pats? Yeah, sure. How do we want to do it today?
I get to stay here.
Alright, no worries. So you guys can come down and give Orson a pat. It's a pretty big group, so if we can move through quickly, that'd be great.
Stuff on his chest, mate.
Yeah, you give him a bit of a pat on the chest there like that. So if you want to start down here, if you want to come up and give him a bit of a pat on the